Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jamie. Today I'm going to be doing a speed clean with me, and I'm going to be cleaning our main living areas, which is our living room, kitchen, and dining room. I've been wanting to get new pillows for our couch for a long time. I know that Buffalo Plaid's been around for a while, but I still really like it, so I ordered 2 pillow covers off of Amazon. They were like $12, and they ended up turning out really nice, so now that just makes me even more excited to decorate for fall and for Christmas. So let me know if you like them or if you still are decorating with Buffalo Plaid down in the comments.
You are the solution. You are the solution. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
This area right here comes right in and out of our garage, so this is our dumping spot or our catch-all, and so I'm just going to get this area straightened up and then we'll get on to finishing the kitchen.
So baby, come and take my hand tonight. I know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la.
gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
So are my kids the only ones that can tell when your kitchen is like almost done being cleaned? Because as soon as I got the counters wiped off and the floor was halfway vacuumed, both kids came in and wanted a snack. So of course, I didn't tell them no. They both grabbed granola bars and was asking if that was okay for them to eat. And I said yes. But just curious, are mine the only one that know when the kitchen is clean? Leave me a comment down below.
There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know?
So I have this braided rug rolled up in my floor. I had it under my dining room table for a while, and I thought, that I would like to have a rug under the table, and I did like it, but I just don't think I liked this particular rug because it would move around and it was hard to pull the chairs in and out because of it being braided. So let me know, do you prefer a rug under your table, or would you just prefer to have the hardwood floors?
I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
So I pretty much got everything accomplished that I wanted to for the day. I got all the hard surfaces wiped down, and then I got the floor cleaned and mopped, and so everything will be nice and clean when we get back from the beach. There are a couple of areas I still need to work on, but I don't really care if it gets done before we leave. You'll see over by the door that there is a pile of stuff to pack for the beach, and then there's also some pillows that need to go to the basement, like that came off the couch, and the rug in the dining room still needs to go to the basement. And then there's also a pile of school supplies in the dining room. They're just going to stay there because as soon as we get back from the beach, the kids start back to school. So I'll be delivering those on the first day of school or open house. And so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video. Bye.
Moving your feet on the dance floor.